Welcome to the ProVac Zoom corner and edge training video. Place the tripod stand about 2 or 3 inches away from the brake that you wish to work on. Next, line the teeth of the corner edge extension tool up with the quick release lever and press it into place. Tighten the leveling screw to give the extension a slight downward angle. Next, after preparing your injector, install it, make sure it's lined up with the brake, and begin your repair. If needed, you can tighten the leveling screw a little further just to give a little extra pressure to the injector, allowing it to seal on an extreme angle. After the repair is complete, remove the light, remove the injector, and simply press the release lever to remove the corner edge extension from the tripod stand. Now you can finalize your repair by doing your pit fill and your pit polish.